Hola y'all! So today what we're gonna do is just a quick, easy, fast, out the door eyebrow tutorial, okay? And let me tell you, the eyebrows are the most important part of the face. I don't care what nobody says. If you don't do your eyebrows properly for your face, you're gonna look a mess, okay? Because you'll never see me out in the streets without my brows done. If you want to keep on watching, then keep on watching. If you don't, then don't. Let's get into the tutorial, shall we? As you can tell, I don't do my eyebrows just because I'm lazy. I had this one moment whenever I was in Florida. This lady, she waxed the heck out of my eyebrows. I had no eyebrows. If I find a picture of it, I'm gonna put it on here just so you can laugh with me and understand the struggle. So I've just been a little traumatized. What I like to use is my little magic wand over here. This is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 4.5. Get my mane out of the way first, okay? So what I like to do is I go to the bottom of the brow first, and I just go through little tiny strokes. Bam, 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 all the way down. How do I know where to stop? You put your pencil or something straight at the bottom of your nose and you angle it towards the end of your eye, and that's where it tells you where your eyebrow should end. Of course, the same trick, if you angle it towards the middle of your pupil, that's where your arch should be, and the end of your brush, you put it right in that bed where it's like the point of your nose but nostril area, in between area. Yeah, that's where you want to lay it, and that's where it should end. Once we've done that, I like to go over the top. I always just outline my brow first. Bam! See? It's a good outline of the brow that we have right now. I can start filling that part of the brow in, just so I can see kind of like how the eyebrow will look so far, and once it's filled in, you can kind of see what shape you have. I kind of like what I see. Of course, it's super dark. We can fix that. Okay, so the rest of the brow is super easy. At least I like to think so. Because what I like to do is I just grab my handy dandy pencil, start filling it in from the front and right here. So just draw a line connecting the end of my eyebrow hairs at the very front to right about here. So now that we have the basis for the brow, what we're gonna do is start with the front of the brow now. Of course, the front of the brow, you want it to be lighter than the back end. Let me just let you know right now, I never do that. It's always so harsh and I have to go back and fix it. Even if I do light strokes, it still looks just like harsh lines, which we can always fix with this buoy, because your buoy is your best friend when you're doing your brows. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna do lines, as the professionals like to call them. You have to do hair-like strokes. As you can see, it kind of looks a little harsh, right? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna brush with our spoolie, and then I just brush it till my liking, like this, and I think my brow looks pretty good right now. So now I'm gonna do my other eyebrow. So I'm done. I know I said I was gonna just do my other brow, but I kind of got carried away. I just forgot where I said I was gonna stop. But anyway, so I did do the rest of my face, as you can see. Highlight, always on point. My last step for the brows is just putting brow gel on it. This is a clear one by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and as you can see, it's no longer clear. I just brush them like I did in the beginning, up to the side and down. That's it, guys. That's all I do for my eyebrows. It's fairly straightforward and easy, and yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Bye. Empezás a bailar, les gusta. We can fix that. Lo noto en tu mira, te gusta. Te gusta. Okay, you want it to be straight line. To cut that out. He's coming on my cell phone when you need my love. Calling on my cell phone. Here, my hair. So